it's your girl Heidi Lou. Welcome back. This is the season 2 premiere of Heidi Lou Hollywood Abs, and we're right here at the Hollywood sign. You guys, I'm so excited for this. We are going to be focusing on our ABCs. That's abs, booty, and cardio. So come on guys, let's get to it. We are going to work for 65 seconds and rest for 25 seconds. The first exercise is chair pose with a twist. We're taking a little something from yoga and adding a twist. Here we go. While in chair pose, remember to keep your knees over your ankles and you're making your elbow touch the opposite knee. Great work, guys. These are real-time workouts, so if you're having a hard time, pause the video, take a break, and start it again. We will start right where you left off. That was a lot, but we're not going to just stop. We're going to baby march between each exercise to make sure we keep that heart rate up. We are working on our cardio. Great job. Next up is the reverse lunge and hold on the right side. So you're going to reverse lunge, but make sure you bring that knee up and hold. Keeping your balance when you bring your knee up and hold is really activating your core. You're doing amazing. Stay with it. Keep marching. You got this. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, just like in math. So we are reverse lunging and holding on the left. Get that knee up and hold. Awesome job. leg squat with alternating heel lifts, alternating lifting your right and left heel each time. Let's go. Keep breathing, you got this. Keep baby marching, but up next is the jumping scissor squats. You're going to crisscross your legs when you jump and land in a squat, reversing the cross each time you jump.
You wanna dance?
Jumping is really great cardio. It's also great for your abs, and we are really working our booty with these squats. Great work. Up next is the star pose reach and knee drive. So opposite hand to opposite foot, and then opposite elbow to opposite knee, driving that knee up. Reach for those toes.
You wanna dance?
"15 seconds left. Let's go. We got this. Just keep breathing, keep moving. Almost there." Round 2. We are bringing back the chair pose with a twist. In 5 seconds. Keep breathing, keep marching, and here we go. Let's twist. 25 seconds. Stick with it. You got this. Let's get ready to reverse lunge and hold on the right. Yes, keep going. Way to hold and lunge. Now let's march it out. March it out. Good work. Now let's get ready to work that left side. Stick with it. Absolutely amazing. Next up is the wide leg squat, but with both heels lifted at the same time this time around. So lifting both heels simultaneously. Good work. It is tough. Feel the burn, but stay with it. Keep breathing. Next up is the jumping scissor squats. Jumping for a minute is intense, but jumping for a minute and 5 seconds and squatting is high intensity. Great work. The final exercise, star pose, reach, and knee drive. Let's finish strong. You're crushing it. Way to go. Awesome job, guys. You did it. That was amazing. You guys, you are incredible. I want you to remember that I post new videos every Wednesday. And also remember that I'm on this fitness journey with you. So don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, but most of all, subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!